Happy Women's Month to all the women of this world. I have so much respect for each and every woman out there because I have seen women travel across the miles to turn their houses into homes single-handedly. I have seen women tolerate unimaginable forms of abuse but are still able to strike a smile just so their children can achieve freedom. I have seen women do amazing stuff which leave men gasping for air with disbelief, making me wonder, what would this world be without a woman? And the one thing that suddenly comes to my mind is, this world will be literally dead without a woman. I have seen women with balls of steel who do extraordinary things that men can't do. And that, ladies, gives me confidence to say we are not just women, we are wow men. Halala, Vasadi halala. Happy Women's Month.